Hello students, a very big and warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So student, before starting the session, let me introduce myself to you. This is Pooja Rawat with you, and today we are going to recite a poem, and the title of the poem is The Rainy Day. So in this poem, the rainy day is mentioned, and how the children are enjoying this rainy day. Let's find out in detail with Simran ma'am.
Hi students, this is Simran with you and today's topic is the rainy day, बारिश वाला दिन. So before you read, this poem shares a child's feeling on a rainy day, wishing to go outside. So this poem is about everybody ours childhood and your childhood still. जब बारिश होती है, बाहर जाने का मन करता है, कभी तो चले जाते हैं, कभी मम्मी पापा जाने नहीं देते. So this poem is actually about that. So, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter, down the window pane. So what is this pitter patter? It is actually the sound that comes when it rains. और जैसे ही आपके घरों के शीशों पे पड़ने लग जाती है, तो pitter patter आवाज आती है. And down the window pane. So this question is asked by the poet through this poem to the rain. कि ये आती कहाँ से हैं छोटी छोटी बूंदें. They won't let me walk and they won't let me play. They won't let me go out of doors at all today. तब ये बारिश होती है तो ना तो मैं चल पाता हूँ, ना मैं अपने घर से बाहर निकल पाता हूँ, ना इधर जा पाता हूँ, ना उधर जा पाता हूँ, पूरे दिन घर के अंदर. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and then they locked up all my brick and took away my ball. So सारी की सारी जो खेलने की चीजें थी वो भी चली गई, एंड जितनी भी बची कुची थी वो सारी मैंने तोड़ दी और मेरी बॉल भी लेके चला गया. Now pitter patter, sound that has many quick light beats. विंडो पेन, द ग्लास ऑफ अ विंडो, जो आपके घरों में शीशों की खिड़कियां होती हैं, जो शीशा वाला पार्ट होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द विंडो पेन. एंड वोंट इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ विल नॉट. विल नॉट को आप वोंट भी लिख सकते हैं. They say I'm very naughty, but I've nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. तो वो कि सब कहते हैं कि मैं बहुत नॉटी हूँ, बट मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता सिवाय खिड़की पे बैठ के बूंदों को नीचे बरसते हुए देखने के अलावा, लेकिन मैं खेलना भी चाहता हूँ. So this poet is Jane E. Brownie, and this entire poem is actually his feelings when he looks at rain. Now, good for life. Sometimes staying indoors helps us learn patience, imagination and the joy of small things like watching raindrops fall. तो कभी कभी participate ना करना and just to sit back and experience a lot of things indoors, हम patience भी सीखते हैं, imagination भी strong हो जाती है और बहुत सारी चीज़ों को हम observe भी कर पाते हैं. Now let's think smart. Darken the correct option in the given OMR sheet. What sound do the raindrops make? They make pitter patter. Now fill in the blanks. Little drops of rain fall on the window pane. Now match the following. Rain drops fall on the window. Now answer the following questions. What does the child see on the window pane? The raindrops falling on the window panes. Now wonder of words. Unjumble the letters to make a correct word. So this word is L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Now the grammar toolkit. Circle the naming words in each sentence. I see a cat. So cat is a naming word. Write with joy. Write about a fun time you had on a rainy day. What did you see? तो किसी दिन बारिश हुई हो, आपने पूरा दिन देखा हो, उस एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में आपको you have to write a few lines. Now, creative corner. Make a colorful umbrella using paper folding and decorate it with glitter or stickers and paste it in the space given below. So this is the space. यहाँ पर आपको एक colorful umbrella का paper folding से बना के decorate करना है and you have to paste it here.
So through this poem we'll learn about the rainy day and also how we can stay at home and enjoy this rainy season. And we can enjoy some foods which our mother makes during this rainy season. So student, I hope you understood the chapter really well. Now you will revise the chapter and yes, do not forget to practice the exercise.